Hey, f***ers, back in action. We're back in the action. Oh, Bran, you almost have 600,000 subscribers and you're filming in a car. Yeah, dick, because family comes first, who is inside right now where I usually film, enjoying a nice Christmas get-together, so I had to get out of there, bro. Y'all think I'm nuts. You just gotta come from somewhere, and you haven't met my family. Real quick, man, before we get into this video is brought to you by my own website, NameBranFam.com. Links down below. We have an amazing Christmas sale right now, which is nothing because the prices are cheap enough as it is. Go check it out. Y'all can get rings on there, a bunch of other stuff, very cheap. There's like a free section where you only gotta pay shipping. A little trick to it, you can actually get 2 free items per order when you go check out with shipping, stuff like that. NameBranFam.com, we appreciate you for sponsoring this. Me. Anyway, man, getting into this video, it's a pretty easy premise. Once again, I actually am sorry for filming in the car, but people are over. I gotta put out this video. I gotta make time for it. Easy premise to the video though, man. I was on AliExpress, which is not Express, by the way. Their shipping takes flipping forever. And I had this really funny idea as I was shopping on this website to make a little challenge. The challenge being, if you guys have seen AliExpress, they sell a bunch of cheap stuff, and a lot of stuff is like $1 or under. There's also a lot of stuff that's over that. Anyway, I came up with the idea of like, hey, let's just buy the coolest items for $1. Plot twist, there's a lot of items like I just said for $1, so I picked 5 of the coolest ones on the website that I can personally find for $1 or under, plus shipping. So anyway, boys, without further ado, we got a bunch of packages right beside me. Once again, items that I could find for $1 that I thought were super sick that people need. You know what I mean? I'm here for the boys. If you guys want to give a huge thumbs up down below, that would be awesome. Anyway, man, not wasting any more of y'all time. The sun's going down. It's cold as God hell in here. Also, if you see a bunch of stuff, I'm donating clothing. That makes me a god, I think. I'm giving. I'm handsome, and I also enjoy giving to people that are less fortunate than me. I found that I had too much clothing, and it's either burn it, which I wanted to do. My girlfriend, you know, made me give it away, so that's why it's back there. Let's get into it, boys. Alright, man, so first item, this was $1 off AliExpress. I've actually already owned this before, but I broke it, and what it is a nice bag of chips. It's got a delightful cover, which is why I bought it. Just kidding. I don't know, it's just a tricky little goof I feel like every household should have. Hey, Grandma, you want some chips? Blow! Put it in the back's kind of a bitch. First item, I was just like, that one doesn't really count. That was mostly for my personal. Once again, there's only 5 things here because there's so many things on the website you could get. This right here, I'm not sure what it is. Oh, yeah! What this is right here, honestly, I thought this was just super cool. I'd never seen anything like this. It's kind of like a fake Nintendo Switch. I'm like big into gaming, kind of. I don't really have time for it anymore. I got a Nintendo Switch. I don't really play that. I don't like Nintendo games. Add me on Xbox. It's called, I don't know what it's called. NameBran Xbox is my gamer tag if you want to add me. I only play Modern Warfare World War II though, so you guys got to play that if you actually want to play with me. Anyway, thinking this is like kind of also prop shopping for me. I think I might want to go to GameStop and try to take this thing back, return it, and see if I can get money for it, which is illegal, which is why I won't actually take the money if they offer it to me, but I think it'd be a cool social experiment, which I think you're allowed to do. Oh, it comes charged, so we have Street Fighter, as y'all can see. This is one I'm freaking stoked about, man. Why wouldn't that be touchscreen? The Nintendo Switch is touchscreen, isn't it? What the fuck? I wanted one thing. Waste of money. Next up, as y'all can see, this is something I just kind of got for you guys. I'm actually going to give this away. And the reason I picked this is because, yes, it was $1. And yes, they sell a lot of jewelry on their... God damn, this is crazy. Wow. Yes, they sell a lot of jewelry on there, but by the pictures, and you never know with AliExpress if it's fake pictures, and apparently it wasn't with this one. By the pictures, it looked like it was crazy quality for $1. So I just thought right there, that's just a little pendant I kind of got for you guys. I wanted to get at least one chain from the website because that's kind of what we talk about on the channel lately. The quality on this is nuts. $1, you can't go wrong, and this had no shipping, nor did the little taco box or whatever the hell this is, or these chips. So were the delicious chips. They didn't come with shipping. Next up, we're actually going to get into the stuff that I was stoked about, and one of the reasons why I waited till today to make this video, because I've had this stuff for about a week. I'm actually just going to show that now, bro. This is what I'm really stoked for, bro. So this right here is a little hole in it. I guess somebody was sticking their weenie in it at DHL. I don't blame you. If I worked at DHL, I'd fuck my packages too. This right here was something I could not believe. It was $1, but I did have to pay a little shipping. Now you guys know I'm kind of quote unquote a sneakerhead. Anyway, I like my shoes. Damn, it's this bad packaging. Got hit by a freight train on the way here. The reason like I say, I'm posting this video today is because these actually, the real ones, drop tomorrow. This is a fake pair of sneakers that I hope are kind of similar to the ones that are dropping, because I want to take these back to Nike. Just like the same idea I had for the Nintendo Switch before I broke it. I want to do it with this, however, I'm banned from Nike, so I gotta figure something out. Apparently they don't like you scamming them there. But how the f am I supposed to return this? Was a up buck. Why is it silver? That's kind of cool. Here they are, man. Holy shit. The quality on these are insane. I actually haven't seen these yet, so because they're not out. I'm gonna buy the real pair for personal use, but as y'all can see, these I think are really hyped up right now, which is why I'm doing this video. These are dope. We have the off-white Nike SB Dunk collaboration, which is huge. They're obviously fake, but no, man, this is like the main steal I found. $1 for a pair of shoes. I'm not gonna lie. I think $20 for shipping. I definitely have a prank video coming with these soon. Any shoe, even if it's fake, I don't condone fakes whatsoever, nor selling them. It's just a joke. But any shoe for $1, I have to check them out, man. One last package, pair of Yeezy Sports. I just think these are awesome. That was my last pick. The reason I'm gonna wear these is because I think it's very funny to wear blatantly obvious sneakers. Like, not ones where it's like, bro, those are fake and you can't tell. Like ones where it's just blatantly fake, like the laid up Yeezys. I had a pair of those at one time where they laid up at the sole, and I wore those everywhere because I just thought it was funny. I get a kick out of that type of stuff. So I got this for the personal in my size, which God knows what Asian sizing is, so that might not fit, but we'll see. That's it, just a little challenge. These are the 5 coolest items I could find for $1 on AliExpress. I'm sure there's cool things too, but these are things that I thought were like your money's worth. You're gonna get your bang for your buck, you know what I mean? You're gonna be able to shoot some YouTube videos in places you're banned at and probably get arrested. I gotta go back to my Christmas family get-together, whatever. Had to put out a video for you guys. Let me know if you want more challenges like this. I don't know if I necessarily killed it, because a lot of it was just for goofs. I just need stuff like this. I think that's awesome. Like, I would pay $100 for 100 of these any day. So anyway, you guys let me know if this was a W or L. Would you make some different picks, or would you say, hey man, for $5 you got some pretty good steals? Except, you know, I paid a little shipping on top of that, but that doesn't sound too cool on a thumbnail or title. Appreciate y'all for watching. We're marking the game the greatest of all time. Y'all the goats. I'm gonna regret this in a second because I gotta put it back in. Wow.